Hey guys, this is JSer. How's everything going? In this video, I'm going to take a look at 791. It's medium, not that difficult, I think. It's custom sort string. S and T are strings composed of lowercase letters. In S is order, so no letters occurs more than once. S was sorted in some custom order. We want to permute the characters of T so that they match the order. So CBA, so C should be before B, B should be before A, so we need to sort it like this. Since T does not appear in S, it can be at any position in T. This is okay. Also valid output. Cool. Okay. So how should we do it? Well, we could just do sort. We could just do sort, right? Use the sort and pass in the compare function. Compare function would be getting the index of the character and compare their in number. So I think we should first get a map between the character and its index, the order index, and then we pass the compare function to the sort. So that's it. So the step is get the map character index, and then we create compare function. And a third step is pass use sort. And that's it. Let's do it. So the first one is order map. New map for let okay. Let height is 0. This is we got index, and then create a compare function. We return order map and get a with order map get B, right? So it's if it is minus negative, it means these characters should be put before this character. So cool. So now we get the characters should be, we split it, and then characters sort compare, and then we return characters join. I think this is it. Let's submit. Shit. This is a case that the numbers might not be in a D. The characters might be something not in the map, like the EXV. We output XVE. Where's E? Wait a minute. But even if okay, so if order map, if A does not exist, then we could put it to the left. Okay. If A does not exist, return -1. If B doesn't exist, map has B, return -1. Now we return what? We return, yeah. I made a mistake. There might be some cases that, yeah, the character is not in the order map. Cool, so this is it. Let's see if any better solutions. Okay, these time complexity for this would be compare. So here, sort actually is O(n) log n. This approach actually says we could improve it with linear time. Well, we first write our answer to the elements of t that occurs in S in order of S. After, we will write any elements of t we didn't write. The second write, the order doesn't matter because, okay, the trick is to count the elements of t. After we have some count character, we can write these elements in the order we want. The order is, yeah. I see. So we just count the t for 1a, 1b, 1c, and then we just loop through S. If there's c, we write it. If it has b, we write it. If a, we write it. And then the rest, right? The rest, we just put it anywhere. Wow, cool. So that's actually a better solution. Let's try to implement it. It's not that difficult. Okay, I know what happens now. So we create a count, we map for the character of t. If count has character, count set character, count get character +1. Else count set character 1, right? Cool. And now we just loop through the string, the result, let result, and for let character of S, if count has it, if has character, the result would be plus okay. We do repeat, right? So for I equals 0, let num num equals count and get character, while num bigger than for 3, 2, 1. So we start, and it should end at 1. Okay, result plus equals character, right? Yeah, and then we need to delete it. After we rewrite it, we will delete the character, so the map. So the final, after all the traversal, the map will contain only the letters that is not in our the order string, right? So, and then we will for let character count. Okay, so num of count. We'll do the same. So while num is bigger than 0, character, and then we'll return the result. This should also work. Seems not. There's some problem. Where is it? Oh, okay. Map get t has character, set character get plus. This is no problem. Result is empty string. We loop through the s. If count has it, then num we get the count. Oh god. Oh okay. Cool. So it works. Yeah, it's actually much better than our previous solution. And okay, so that's all for this problem. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.